everyone. My name is Carmine and I actually run Northern Beaches Muscle Cars. What we've done tonight is due to the fact that we had a cancelled event. We got together with Lachie from Collective and we have got one of the biggest turnouts with over 200 cars here tonight. Very over the moon. Met a lot of nice people, a lot of nice cars coming today. As you can see, there's a lot of people around. Nice food downstairs. We also had the promotion here with Gulf Western Oil, where we raffled off 5 Victor Bray racing car jackets tonight, and 5 lucky people went away with that. Look, if you're not on our page, go to www.northernbeachesmusclecars.com.au, or you can find us on Facebook, Northern Beaches Muscle Cars. Also, while I've got this opportunity, we are also on cruise mode for the next 4 weeks. Keep an eye out for Northern Beaches Muscle Cars. And once again, we're holding one of the biggest car shows ever to hit Sydney Northern Beaches at Miramara Reception Lounge at Terry Hills. Let me tell you, that is going to be phenomenal. We've got the likes of Peter Brock's son, Robert, coming in. Peter Brock's wife, Bev, will be there. We have the Back to the Future car coming in. Dukes of Hazzard car will be there. The Rock and Roll School Bus will be there. We have Miss Summer Nats actually attending our show as well. And look, once again, I just want to thank all the sponsorship that we've got. The likes of Shannon's being the major sponsor, Gulf Western Oil. There's quite a variety of sponsors up there. We've got Street Machine up there. So guys, if you're doing nothing, 22nd of October, open to the public, come in at 10 o'clock. All the charity event, all the charity money will go to Hand Care. So let's get in there, guys, and support it. Thanks a lot.
Hey guys, I'm Lachie, I run the Collective. This is my 3rd year doing automotive photography and I've recently gone to events. This is my 3rd cruise and meet. This time we've teamed up with Northern Beaches Muscle Cars and a few other clubs and businesses, and it's a really good turnout. We've got over 100 cars, everything from muscle cars to Subarus, Silvias, Evos, anything you can imagine. We're basically trying to bring the car scene together and just unite everyone under one event.
Once again, thank you all for coming and joining in with Northern Beaches Muscle Cars. If you're not on the page, please jump on, have a look at it, right? And I ask you again, please, because we all want these events to happen every time. But if you're going to leave here and you're going to start being silly, your number plates will be taken. I'm sorry, but that's how it's going to be, because we cannot afford to jeopardise it. Yeah, guys? So we want to do it again, so please leave in a professional manner, not hooligans, yeah?